Hola, and welcome or welcome back to Kim at Home. Guess what? It is another All Things YouTube collaboration, Name Your Niche, and today my niche is DIY. This collaboration is hosted by Tiffany from All Things Tiffany Nicole. I will have a playlist linked below in the description box with all of the lovely ladies' information listed as well. Please be sure to check them out. If you've been around for a while, you know that I've had nightstands in my room for like probably 4 months now. I put one together already, and so now I wanted to do this one on camera. First thing to do is look at your directions, make sure that all of your parts are available. So I'm just going to piece these out, count them, and just make sure they are all there. Now that I have all of that sorted out, it's time to build. I'm going to complete the tedious work of putting all of the dowels into the holes. There's 2 sets of dowels, and then there's so many different boards that you have to put that in, so I want to get that handled first. And you know, I'm going to read these directions probably about 20 times. If this is the first time that you have been on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim with a Y. This is my home, that's my child, and we're in my bedroom. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel where you will find all things pertaining to home. We do all kinds of things here. We paint a lot. Also, we have tutorials for like fixing cars, whether it be like brakes or tires, all kinds of things. I will also be providing you with helpful cleaning tips and tricks to keep your home clean throughout the week so you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning. Nobody has time for that. There is so much more substance to my channel, so just stick around and you will see. It is now time to put the legs on the nightstand, and I'm going to show you 2 different examples of how you can do it. So obviously the second way is the most simple way to do it, and it's very quick as well. This wood has to be glued to the nightstand. They did provide me with some glue, but I have Gorilla Glue and I like to use that better. Okay, so I've already started putting the dowels on here, but for some reason the first time around it didn't seem like it was that hard. So now I just have to put the dowels on the bottom parts of both sides. And then I have already put one drawer together. Karia is putting a drawer together, and then we'll put together one on camera. Like I was saying before, somehow, someway, these dowels were a little bit more difficult to put on the second nightstand. I feel like they didn't drill the holes big enough, which made me have to force the dowels in. So how are you doing today? Can you believe that summer is officially over, even though it's been like 80 degrees here? I'm loving it. I really hope that you've been taking the opportunity to love on yourself, say your affirmations, and realize how much you are needed. Make sure you're getting that self-care in every single week. Self-care will turn you into a millionaire. Self-care is so beneficial for so many different reasons. When you learn to love and respect yourself, it's easier for you to learn to love and respect and be kind to others. Let me know in the comments below if you can tell that something is wrong with this nightstand.
Lately I've been feeling like somebody else.
So the problem with this nightstand is the piece of wood at the bottom that's showing. It's supposed to be in the back, but Karia totally had me distracted. It looks so plain over there. So I'm gonna put this together. At some point soon, I will paint that wood piece on my nightstand white. I ordered this stool for like the fall, winter type months because the other one that I had was pink and it did not match any type of decor that I will have in the living room. I was really trying to think outside of the box when I ordered it, and I realized that it did have gold legs. So I thought, at any rate, when I got it into my house from Amazon, the legs were like yellow, gold, sparkly, hot mess. So I ended up spray painting these legs the same color as the accent mirror that's in my living room. There is a TikTok video showing that, and also my last video shows it at the end about a DIY. So please be sure that you are following me on TikTok. Shameless plug. But on a serious note, if you know deep down in your heart that you don't like a specific color and you've always been that way your entire life, listen to yourself. Don't be like me and order it just because you want to think outside of the box. Because it didn't work, okay?
Maybe someday you will realize.
I want to thank Tiffany so much for inviting me to participate in this monthly collaboration. If you are interested in getting involved, be sure to reach out to her. All of her information is listed below in the description box. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. There are so many different niches that are covered each month. You don't want to miss it. They are amazing. That is also linked below in the description box.
Start, but baby, I was so caught up in you, picking up the pieces of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby, I was so caught up.
Celebrate all of your accomplishments, even if it didn't work out the way that you initially thought. Been itching to paint this. I don't know what I did with my planners or my painter's tape, so I'm going to use this and a piece of paper. Ooh. Ever since I hung this on the wall, I just keep looking at it like I do not like that color. There's just something off about it. But praise God for spray paint. And I bet you can't guess what color it's going to be. Leave a comment down below. The reason for all of the prep work is because in my head I'm envisioning just spraying half of this. If you guessed black, you are correct.
Of my heart. Oh baby, let me hold you. I just wanna hold you. I guess I should have known it from the start, but baby,
I'm truly thinking that I need another coat. I don't know. I have to sit on it and figure out if I like it or not. I gotta sit on it for like 24 hours, so. The line's crooked. I don't even care though. I don't know. So my DIY project was an epic fail, but that's okay because you know how to backup plan, girl. Sometimes DIYs do not work out the way that you envision it. So I'm just gonna spray paint the entire thing black. In life, you have to learn how to improvise, and you can't stop with the mushroom belt. Just a minor change. I like to always refresh things and do like DIYs with stuff. My only regret with this one is I should have just waited until they had the matte black paint. But it still looks good though. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. What's the first one that I DIY'd? It used to be gray and it had a bakery sign on it. I had stained it gray when I first moved here like 2.5 years ago when we first bought our home. And this is something that I picked up and I never really liked the color. It was like the weird brown wicker color, but it was just weird. It wasn't like nice. So that is the reason why I wanted to paint it black. Plus, who doesn't love black? For real. It's a nice view right here. Okay. So you can get this angle too. Thank you for spending some time with me today. You are amazing. Bye guys.